All right, y'all, we're gonna jump right into it. What we got here is the Terre Power Rotary Scissor Trimmer Attachment. If you like me and you get tired of reloading those string trimmers over and over again, this is a pricier option that you could check out. Just doing my unboxing right here, taking out all the different pieces of the product. There's the blade there. We're about to rip this thing out the plastic. We acting brand new. You can't tell us nothing. So what we got here is some attachments and a blade, a little bit more plastic on the top. Pop that off and you can see the scissor blade. So this blade, it goes in opposite directions. They call it a rotary scissor blade. You'll see when I get to my demonstration at the end, but the string trimmer does shred and chop up the weeds a little bit more, and this one is a little bit more heavier than the trimmer, but man, it ain't even close. Trust me, you won't go back once you get this. So right now I'm using my Allen wrench and popping off that old head. Y'all excuse the dirt on my trimmer, but we get right into it on this. We ain't wasting no time. So we're about to pop that bad boy off. Pow, we out of there. So okay, out with the old, in with the new. You can see it's a little pin on the end. Different weed eaters got different pins, so that's why they give you those little adapters. We're gonna find the right adapter. Going with that guy right there, not the rest of them. We're gonna pop him on there. Real easy. So first when you pop that adapter on there, now we gotta slide the new head on. There she goes. So we're just gonna slide right in there, and once you feel that kind of click, you can kind of push it in a little harder so it goes all the way in. You feel that click, you know, boom, you're ready to go. You just gotta tighten the screws up on the side. Same Allen wrench. Like I said, you can knock this out in probably 15 minutes if you a do-it-yourselfer or you're a good handyman or handy lady. Either one, you can probably knock this out. So tighten in one more screw. Let's see, two more screws, my bad. And so now we got action. All right, now watch this thing go to work. So you can see it cuts through the weeds. It almost like it takes the legs from up under the weeds. Like I said, it don't really shred them up like the old trimmers, but man, this thing cut like butter. Look at it. Just look at it go to work. All right, it comes with a nice little angle, so it's real easy to do those horizontal cuts. Look at that thing slicing through those weeds like butter. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Money well spent. Money well spent. Like I said, I got the link in my bio if you want to help your boy out, and click that link and get one. Look at it. It's great for edges too. You just flip that thing vertically. You can go right next real tight to the sidewalk, and then I'm gonna come over on top with a little horizontal cut as well, and it looks real good. So I'm new to this YouTube thing, so y'all help your boy out, show some love, click like and subscribe, and we're gonna make it do what it do.